Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use potassium permanganate in aquarium. Begin by assessing tank size and livestock tolerance, then prepare a clean workspace, protective gear, and accurate measuring tools. Dissolve crystals in distilled water to make a stock solution, label it clearly, and keep it away from organics. Work in small increments, observe fish closely, and have water change tools ready. Always neutralize spills and rinse equipment after use to avoid stains and harm. In this video, I will explain how to use potassium permanganate in aquarium. Start by calculating desired concentration based on tank volume and condition being treated, then weigh crystals precisely. Dissolve slowly into distilled water while stirring until fully clear or faintly purple. Cool and decant into a dark bottle. Label with concentration and date, and keep it sealed. Always test a small sample in a quarantine tank before full application, watching for stress or unusual behavior. In this video, I will explain how to use potassium permanganate in aquarium. For dips, dilute the stock to the recommended mg per liter and time the exposure precisely, keeping aeration high. For whole tank use, calculate final tank concentration, add gradually near strong flow, and monitor oxygen and fish behavior closely. Be prepared to perform partial water changes if discoloration or stress occurs. Always document doses and responses to refine future treatments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.